Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I would like to show you how to make flowers from an egg carton. You will see that with one way of cutting, you can create 3 different flower designs. To start, separate the cells of an egg carton with large scissors and then even out the edges of the cells with small scissors. Draw pointed petals on the outside of the egg carton cell. Then, cut out the petals with small scissors. This is the first variant of this flower. For the second variant, proceed exactly in the same way as for the first model, but soak the tips of the petals in a little bit of water. Then, open the tips of the petal outward. Let dry. For the third variant, cut the petals as in the first 2 models and then cut between the petals to the bottom of the egg carton cell. Then, flatten the petals to open the flower. Paint each flower variant in a color of your choice. Depending on your choice of color, it may be best to start with a coat of white paint to better bring out the color. I painted the first variation of the flower red. I painted the second variant with the tips of the petal facing outwards yellow. The third variant is painted in pale mauve. When the paint is dry, it's time to put the finishing touches on the flowers. For the red flower, I decided to decorate the center with golden beads. First, I poured white glue into the bottom of the flower. Then I poured golden beads. The white glue will take a while to dry, but it will become transparent. For the yellow flower, I decided to glue a pom-pom in the center of the flower with hot glue. And for the pale purple flower, I glued a dark purple button with hot glue. To finish the flowers, I will glue each of the flowers on a stem. For the red flower, I painted a wooden skewer green. An easy way to paint a wooden skewer is to put paint on a sheet of paper towel and wipe the skewer with it. Let the paint dry. Glue the flower to the stem with hot glue. For the yellow flower, you could use a pipe cleaner to represent the stem. Glue the flower on the stem with hot glue. The purple flower is bigger, and so you could use a slightly thicker wooden dowel. Paint the wooden dowel in the same way as the skewer. To complete the flowers, now is the time to make some leaves. You can create 1 or 2 leaves for each flower. Let your imagination be the guide for the shape of the leaves. Take green construction paper and fold part of the sheet in half. Outline the shape of a leaf and cut it out through the 2 layers of construction paper. Glue 1 or 2 leaves along the flower stem. So as you can see, while using one way of cutting and different materials, you can create very different flowers. To print the document with the illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the AnimaPlace website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!